Writing a problem statement for a thesis is about clearly identifying the issue you want to study, explaining why it matters, and outlining what needs to be done to address it. Think of it as answering three key questions. What is the problem? Why is it important? And what needs to be done? Here's how you can do it with simple examples. Start by describing the problem in clear terms. For instance, if your thesis is about the impact of junk food on student health, you could say, the consumption of junk food among college students has increased significantly over the past decade. Many students rely on fast food due to convenience and affordability, leading to unhealthy eating habits. This sets the stage by explaining the situation. Next, explain why this problem matters. This is where you justify the importance of your research. For example, unhealthy eating habits are linked to a rise in obesity, diabetes, and other health issues among young adults. Despite awareness campaigns, there is limited understanding of the specific factors driving junk food consumption in college settings. By doing this, you show the gap in knowledge or the urgency of addressing the issue. Finally, outline what needs to be studied or solved. This connects the problem to your research goal. For example, this study aims to explore the reasons behind junk food consumption among college students and evaluate potential strategies to promote healthier eating habits. This gives a clear direction for your research and shows how it will contribute to solving the problem. Let's take another example. Suppose your thesis is about renewable energy adoption in rural areas. You could write, access to renewable energy remains limited in rural communities, where reliance on traditional energy sources contributes to environmental degradation and economic challenges. Then explain why it matters. Without affordable and sustainable energy solutions, these communities face ongoing difficulties in improving their quality of life and reducing their carbon footprint. Finally, describe your research focus. This study will examine barriers to renewable energy adoption in rural areas and propose practical solutions to increase its accessibility. A good problem statement is concise, specific, and easy to understand. It highlights the issue, why it's worth studying, and how your research will address it. Keep it straightforward and focused so readers immediately grasp the significance of your work.